Welcome to Kermit Family Fun. I'm Michaela.
I'm Erin.
And today we're going to be making slime. So let's
And mine's blue.
And mine's pink. So let's get started. We're just going to start by opening it, and my mom's going to help me.
Wow!
I have pink. We have pink. I have pink paint. Show them.
And I have blue.
Show he has blue paint.
And I have
slime activator.
this. I have this.
I got
And I
my
have this.
pink
What
glue.
is this? I got
Clear glue.
I got glue.
And more clear glue. So my mom's going to be reading the instructions. And we have some add-ins
And we have
for the clear glue. And we have neon colors
and we have
for
balls.
the clear glue. So Mom, let's get started.
So what do we need first?
Pour 1 bottle of glue into a large bowl.
We're going to use our colored things first. So, okay, I'll help you.
Let's scoot these over so you guys can have some space to work.
Yeah. Okay, I can't
Thank you.
open it. I can't. So I'm going to start pouring mine in.
Ooh.
This is not good pouring in. And our mom's trying to struggle opening these. Can you open mine,
There's
please?
yours.
So Aaron's gonna pour his in. Whoa!
What? It's already glittery.
Yeah, it's already glittery, so we don't need glitter to add it. Are you okay, Mom?
Yeah, it's just hard to open.
Here, let me help you, Aaron. You still have a lot of glue in here. I'll show you guys what it looks like when...
I will.
Okay, you just have to tip the bowl over, not too much, okay?
Control the bow.
Yeah.
So I won't have any more makeup.
My mom has to get something to open my bowl.
Ow.
Don't cry. Okay. Aaron, come back in.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what did you
That one was hard to open.
Here, Mom, you can help him do the rest. So here's my glue. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. And the reason why I have a smaller bowl than Aaron is because he's littler than me, and he could make a bigger mess than me. So yeah.
I want to do the not that.
Okay. Show the man. That's what his slime looked like. I'll show you guys what my slime looks like when I'm trying to get done. Yeah, Aaron has more glue than me because I can't give it
Do it
out.
that
Mom,
way,
may you please
sis.
help me? No, not yet.
Oh, I know. I'll get the guy.
Oh, the neon stuff is. There's stuff in there. In the
That Michael's going to dry when I.
Yeah,
Well done.
I'm gonna use this card to go on the slime when we're all done mixing it up.
And I'm going to do this one.
This
This
one.
guy. To mix it up.
All right.
Huh?
Yours is almost ready to
So,
mix it up.
Oh yeah, we need to get spoons. And will you please go get us some spoons? Get 2 spoons. Thank you, Mom.
After that, you measure 3/4 of a cup of water into a measuring
Mom,
cup.
may you please do that for us?
I'll get some water for you guys.
Okay. So guys, here's
Here's
what
your
mine
spoons.
look like.
so
These are our spoons,
yeah.
but we don't need them yet.
No.
I have 1 whole.
Me
No,
too.
this is it. No, this is it. So we both have 1
And we both
bottle
have
full,
this.
and we both have 2 clear glues. And we have a big fat clear bottle over here, but we're not gonna show you that in the next video. We will.
You. A second.
All right, we got 1 3/4 right
Let's
here.
give you Aaron
Yeah.
first.
Don't mix it yet, okay? Because I don't know if we're supposed to mix it yet. We gotta figure out what we do next. All right. Let's see.
Ooh.
Get 1 more 3/4 cup.
For me.
Yeah. Because yours is not glittery yet.
I need to poke it, poke it, poke it, poke it, poke it.
I'm going to poke my
Not yet,
nose.
not
Poke.
All right.
Oh,
9.
Here's your 3/4 of a cup of water.
Let's pour it in.
All right, after that,
Mix. Mixed up.
Hang on.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we get glue.
No, we already have glue.
Hang on.
You sure it said glue?
Yeah.
We have to use more glue?
Slowly pour water into the bowl with the glue in small increments and continue stir. So start stirring it.
To start stirring it. Mine's kind of turning into slime right now.
You gotta stir
Mine
really
is-
good and fast.
I don't want to stir too fast. You
Next
sure
is-
you're doing it right?
Yes.
Wow, look at mine.
We have to stir very fast.
Mine's always, I'm gonna super fast. Ooh.
Okay, Aaron. I'm gonna pull my sleeves up really quick, guys, so they don't get messed. My hair
I
tie.
think it's a soft.
Yeah, mine's turning not sticky at all.
I think mine is.
See, and yours is not sticky. It's like not sticky. It's like watery slime.
So now what do we need to do?
No, Aaron, we're not done yet. These ones are
Mix it.
yeah, it's not slime. These two are, this is yours.
Now I'm putting
Keep stirring.
slime. Yeah, this is in.
No, you didn't.
That's in. Right here, see?
Is it all blended? Okay.
Yep.
Then we need
Yep.
1 teaspoon of activator.
Wait.
Is it?
Oh, yeah, that's actually.
Is this activator? Is this activator?
Where
Is
is
this activator?
There's like a cap over it.
Is this activator?
So it says 1 teaspoon of activator.
Is this activator?
There's your slime activator.
So I'm gonna keep mixing into. Guys, look at this. It's turning into slime
Yeah.
already.
Is my slime activator?
Yep, slime activator.
What do I do? Did it come lost?
Come over here to help you.
I do.
Guys, look at this. It's a
I'm
clear.
pulling it in.
Okay. And you start.
Oh, this is Aaron's. Oh no. It just looks like we have none. Use none.
Oh my
Yeah. You keep
goodness.
stirring until it makes slime.
Yep, it's making slime right now, guys.
Yeah, but make it. Oh, look at mine.
So we're gonna add some maybe.
We need 1 more teaspoon of slime activator.
Oh, I don't know.
Don't worry about it, Aaron.
Oh yeah, why?
Because it says after that, slowly add another teaspoon.
Look, guys, it's
1
working.
more. Keep going.
And slowly until it
Oh,
starts
Aaron's is starting to make some slime.
same as mine, but
Oh
not
yeah,
too
Aaron's
close
is
yet.
going.
Oh my
See?
goodness. Mine is
Oh,
almost
no, it got
gone.
stuck to
The
this.
one is almost gone.
Michaela's slime activator's acting a little funny
Why?
because the cap came off inside the thing earlier and the tip, and this time it's stuck in here. Last time it was on here.
See, mine's making slime, guys.
Ooh, yeah, it is.
Mine too. Wait,
We
Mom.
have to keep mixing
Yeah.
until probably it dissolves.
No, the water.
Yeah, until the water's gone. Can I help you? Or you got
No,
it?
mine was almost gone.
Yeah, yours is going.
Oh, mine's almost done.
Yeah, I need my help.
Okay.
I will help you.
No, Aaron.
I can spin faster.
Yeah, you just gotta go spin it fast.
Until it turns
starts making
into
the
slime.
Oh,
And then we'll do a next video when we make some clear
More
slime with some food coloring and some additives.
Okay.
Or paint.
my also gone.
I'm
Not yet.
gonna do the paint.
It's getting there.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
mine's going to be gone.
Okay.
I can do it. Oh my goodness, mine's going to get gone.
Yeah, you just have to spin it really fast.
Mm-hmm.
Mine was gone.
Yup.
Not as
Almost.
not yet.
It's getting
Oh,
there.
look at Aaron's slime, guys. I'll show you guys. See, this is what Aaron's slime looks like.
It's all sticky.
It will be sticky, Aaron. Guys, look at my slime.
It's a
Ew.
My
Yours is coming along.
See, guys?
Mine not
See? It's making the slime.
You guys can see mine?
And you gotta remember, it does take a little while, so you gotta be patient to make your
And
slime.
you need to finish back.
Very.
Now we know how to make slime, guys. And now
A
mine.
couple times we done it, it was a huge fail. Right?
Oh yeah, we
Because we tried
You
it thousands
need
of
to
times.
come up these.
And I learned a lesson. We should not use white glue. Clear glue is the answer.
yeah, or glitter glue is what
Yeah.
you use for now.
Yeah.
I want glitter glue in the second.
I think the answer is slime activator. If you have slime activator, it works so much better.
Yeah, but if you don't, if you ruin it, that's not
Yeah,
good.
Michaela's is making slime now. Look at yours, Michaela.
Look at mine. Look at mine.
Yours is coming along, Aaron, but you still have some water in there.
Yep.
You gotta make sure all the
Now I
water's
can
gone.
have a walk.
I think all my water's gone, guys.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna touch it.
Aww.
Let me help you, Aaron? Huh?
Guys, I think I'll start stirring.
It just takes a long time. Takes a while.
Mine,
You gotta make sure you do
mine
it
is not.
fast. Switch the direction that you're going.
Yeah, there's a paper to go over.
Guys, look at my slime. It's super gooey. Mom, should I go in with my hands?
Sure, if you want to use your hands now, you can.
Let me take all the slime off first. Ooh, guys,
Oh, your slime is ready.
my slime.
That was done.
Guys, look at my slime.
Ew.
That is cool. That's crazy.
Get the done, it's ready.
I think this is like a water slime.
Yeah?
My done is ready.
Like you can't.
It's really slimy.
My done is
Yeah.
ready.
Mm-hmm.
It's
You guys-
done.
Comment down
Aaron's
below
starting
if
to
you like
come along.
mine or Aaron's. Comment down below if you like my slime or Aaron's slime.
Dig yours out.
Aaron's looking like bubbles. Why does Aaron have bubbles?
So who likes who's better? Comment down below, like Michaela said.
Yeah, comment down below. We will.
And remember to like our video and
And
subscribe.
subscribe.
And subscribe to.
And we're almost to our goal.
Yeah,
Two.
you're getting there.
Yeah, but we still have a couple
And it's not
more.
sticky either.
Yeah, it
It
mine.
doesn't stick to my hand at all.
It gets sticky when you start mixing it.
Yeah, so they're playing with it now, as you can tell. Pull yours out, Aaron, like sister. See? And they made gooey slime.
And the next video we'll make more slime. Bye! Give us a big thumbs up.